We can have a fixed aspect ratio inside of Figma for any element that we want, such as images, and this is how it works. You can set the sizing behavior of any element on fixed aspect ratio. For example, here, I'm going to pick up the rectangle tool, make one rectangle. Here I use the square ratio, but you can use any ratio you want. This is the resizing behavior of this element before we lock the aspect ratios. And here in the properties panel in the layout section, you can find this option which is going to fix the aspect ratio of your element. In result, you get this behavior from your element. Let's design a web page and see how this new feature works in practice. I'm not going to design it myself, so I'm going to open the first draft from the action menu and then give this prompt. I would like to have a landing page for an online shop. I'm going to click on make it, and then Figma is going to deal with the rest. So after a while, I'm going to get the design of the page that I asked Figma to design for me. That's how AI is working in Figma. So the cool thing is that the Figma AI is already created the content. So I have the images and the text. And here is the resizing behavior of this layout. It's not that bad actually, but you can see that when we stretch the layout to the right and left, the image is also getting stretched and they lose their proportion. So I'm going to select all the images or any frame that has image in it, and then I'm going to click on the fixed aspect ratio option or lock the aspect ratio. You can see that the behavior of the element, especially the images, has been changed when we resize the layout. Now they are keeping and maintaining their aspect ratio in the way that we set them up. And you can see the difference between two layouts that we made here. That was it. Hope it helps.